Hello everyone, today we will explore a very important topic: evaluating educational media. Teachers often use PowerPoint slides, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, and TikTok clips. These media look interesting, but how do we know if they are truly effective for learning? The answer is by using clear evaluation criteria and rubrics. Evaluation is not only about pointing out mistakes. It is about making sure the media is useful, reliable, and student-centered. Imagine a TikTok teaching English vocabulary with bright colors and music. It may look fun, but if the words are pronounced wrongly, students will learn the wrong thing. That is why we must evaluate carefully before using media in class. In Indonesia, evaluation is even more important because classrooms are very diverse. Some schools in cities have fast internet and many devices. But schools in rural areas may have only one projector and limited connection. So we must ask, does this media really fit the classroom reality? If not, even the best-looking video may fail to help students. Good evaluation helps us choose media that saves time and supports learning. There are 5 main criteria for evaluating media. The first criterion is accuracy. Accuracy means the information must be correct and trustworthy. For example, a pronunciation video must model the right sounds. The second criterion is by clarity. Clarity means the message should be simple and easy to follow. Too many animations or background noises may confuse learners. The third criterion is engagement. Engagement asks, does the media capture learners' attention and keep them motivated? A short Instagram reel can be engaging, but only if it also supports learning goals. The fourth criterion is relevance. Relevance means the media matches the topic and the learner's level. A video about academic writing may not be relevant for beginners in junior high school. The fifth criterion is usability. Usability means the media is easy to use and accessible for students. In Indonesia, this includes thinking about internet data, smartphone access, and even electricity supply. These 5 criteria give us a balanced way to think about media. Now let's move to a very practical tool, the rubric. A rubric is a scoring guide that explains levels of performance. It usually ranges from excellent to poor with clear descriptors. For example, in clarity, excellent means very easy to understand with clear examples. Good means mostly clear but with minor issues. Fair means sometimes confusing. Poor means very hard to follow. Rubrics make evaluation more fair, transparent, and easy to explain. They also help students understand what good work looks like. Let's take a classroom example. Suppose a student creates a TikTok video teaching how to say the word vegetable. We can evaluate with a rubric using 4 criteria: accuracy, clarity, engagement, and relevance. Each criterion is scored from excellent to poor. This makes teacher feedback specific and constructive. Another example, a group of students presents a Canva slide about English tenses. The rubric could include clarity of design, accuracy of examples, and presentation style. This way, feedback is not just good or bad, but detailed and fair. Here is one practical tip. Do not use too many criteria. Choose only 3 to 5 criteria, otherwise evaluation becomes too heavy. With fewer but clearer criteria, students can focus on what really matters. Another tip: involve students in creating simple rubrics. For example, ask them, what makes a video good for learning? When students help design the rubric, they understand evaluation better. Now let's reflect together. If you were a teacher, which criterion would you check first? Accuracy, clarity, or engagement? Pause and think about your answer. This reflection helps you connect the lesson to real teaching practice. Let's summarize what we learned today. Evaluating media is essential to ensure quality learning. We use 5 main criteria: accuracy, clarity, engagement, relevance, and usability. Rubrics make evaluation structured, fair, and transparent. They can be applied to social media projects, slides, videos, and classroom activities. Evaluation is not about criticizing, but about improving media. In Indonesian classrooms, rubrics help teachers make the best of limited resources. By using rubrics, we give students clearer guidance and stronger support. Thank you, and let's continue practicing how to evaluate media in your own projects.